Hello guys and welcome, it's your boy Clover. If you're just starting, you're probably looking for ways to turn your passion into profit. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 digital tools that have helped me make money and can do the same for you. These tools are categorized to cover all aspects of your creative journey, from graphic designing to video editing and even productivity. Let's dive in. The first up is the graphic design category, whose free tool is going to be Canva. Canva is a game changer for anyone needing to create stunning visuals without a steep learning curve. With Canva, you get access to thousands of templates for everything from social media posts to business cards. One of the best features is the ability to collaborate with others by simply inviting them to edit your project. This is perfect for working on teams and getting feedback from clients. As a newbie, you can use Canva to design social media graphics for clients and quickly build a portfolio that will help you to land more gigs. The ability to create high quality designs fast is key to making money in this space. The second category is image background remover. Removing image backgrounds is crucial, especially when you are creating product images or promotional graphics. Even though Canva is fantastic, the free version doesn't allow you to remove image background, which can be quite limiting. By using tools like online background remover and pixelcut, you can offer professional looking images to clients, which is essential for product photography and any visual content. New to the graphic design world, one of the highest limitations was image background remover, while maintaining image quality for free. Canva has this feature but doesn't offer it in its free version. So I mostly use pixelcut background remover and download the file, which I can later upgrade into a higher resolution using the next free tool in this list. You can find the link in the description for pixel background remover and try it out. The next category is image quality upgrading. It is vital to upgrade your image before using it to produce your visuals. Upscale is fantastic, especially if you are working with low resolution images. High quality images are critical for making a good impression, whether it's on social media, in portfolios, or on e-commerce sites. Upscale helps you enhance your images, making them look professional and polished. Upscale has really been a game changer for my workflow. Imagine moving from this to this in a couple of clicks. Every new creative should definitely try this free tool. Link in the description to download Upscale. The next category is video editing. Video content is in high demand and there are numerous free tools to work with. CapCut is the tool I recommend. It's a free video editing tool that is both powerful and user-friendly. With CapCut, you can produce professional videos for social media, YouTube, or client projects, all without paying a dime. Aside from Canva, where I can design some short video components, CapCut is what I have used for all my video projects. The free version has so many cool features. If there's one tool I've actually tried switching to Pro with, it's CapCut, held back by the fact that they don't offer Pro in Cameroon. Please, for those using CapCut Pro in Cameroon, let me know in the comment section how you paid for a subscription. Thank you. Link in the description for downloading CapCut. The next category is general productivity. Staying organized and efficient allows you to take on more projects, meet deadlines, and ultimately earn more. For free tools in the category, I'm going to recommend all the Google apps, especially for me, the Google Sheet app. Google Sheets is invaluable for managing projects, tracking expenses, and organizing your work. It's a must-have for anyone trying to keep their business on track. At this point, I use Google Sheets for all my planning and budgeting, two things which I do a lot of. It was a game changer for me, as I can easily just switch devices and stay on track with all my plans and expenses with great ease. I'll share with you how you can get started with budgeting on this awesome template and stay consistent in a future video. The next productivity tool I'm going to recommend is ChatGPT. With the ever-increasing power of AI, ChatGPT can assist with brainstorming, content creation, and even automating responses. It's like having an assistant at your fingertips. ChatGPT needs no hype nor introduction. It helps me in writing scripts, business plans, doing research, learning new skills, and everything imaginable. Probably my number one productivity tool these days. The next category is vector graphic editing. Whether you are designing logos, icons, or illustrations, you need a vector graphic editing software. The one I recommend, which is free to use, is Inkscape. Inkscape is a powerful free tool for creating and editing vector graphics. Inkscape offers all the tools you need to create professional vector art. Inkscape comes in handy for those like me who can't afford Adobe Illustrator. It has allowed me play with vector graphics for logo design, branding, and even prepare files for laser cutting on Laser GRBL. The next category is brainstorming and product development planning. So as a creative, you need a collaborative space where you can brainstorm, you can express your ideas, and you can follow up product development lifecycle. So when it comes to brainstorming and product development lifecycle, my tool of choice is Figma. Figma is a collaborative design tool that's great for brainstorming, wireframing, and planning your projects. Being able to plan and prototype your ideas visually can help you communicate better with clients or team members, leading to more successful projects. I've used Figma to map out product ideas and share them with collaborators, ensuring that everyone is on the same page from the start. The next category is voice over audio enhancer. Great audio quality is essential for podcasts, video content, and any other media where voice is key. A free tool to help you here is Adobe Podcast. Adobe Podcast is a free tool that enhances voice recording, making them sound crisp and professional. I was introduced to Adobe Illustrator when I just started filming for YouTube, and my mic quality wasn't really good. I don't use it anymore as I now have a better mic, and Adobe took out the possibility to tweak the settings, making the output now just too robotic for my liking. I still definitely recommend it for those whose audio quality is not yet as good, be it because of too much background noise or just their mic quality. You can superimpose the raw voiceover and the enhanced one later on your video and play with their various intensities to get the best result. Now, the next category is the image to vector graphic converter. IMG Vector is a simple, effective tool for converting images into vector graphics, which you can play with as you desire. I was introduced to IMG Vector when I was trying to work on a logo for Rainbow. I wanted some black graphic dreadlocks head like this one, but wasn't finding any good ones for free. So I uploaded some of her photos to IMG Vector and got these vector heads that export as SVG and can be tweaked to later look like these on Canva or any other graphic design tool. The next category is product design and animation. If, like me, you participate in the different stages of product development lifecycle, you may probably need to interact with 3D modeling softwares from time to time. The top 3 picks are Fusion 360 and Blender. Fusion 360 is a powerful tool for 3D modeling and product design. It's great for creating detailed prototypes and mechanical parts. With Fusion 360, you can design products that can be 3D printed or manufactured, opening up opportunities in product design and engineering. I've used Fusion 360 to design prototypes for a lot of my DIY projects. Blender, on the other hand, is a free open source tool for creating 3D animations, models, and even video game assets. Blender's versatility makes it invaluable for anyone interested in animation, 3D modeling, or game design. You can create assets to sell or offer animation services with Blender. Honestly, I'm just kicking off my journey with Blender. I recently just made my very own donut. I'm sure those in the 3D animation space will get what I mean. So guys, these are free digital tools that help me as a creative newbie, and I'm confident they can help you too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which tools you are most excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Anyways, it's been your boy Clover, guys. Like and subscribe for more. See you all in the next one. Thank you.